Getting your office sound great is not about silence. It's about nature. It's about biophilia. Our link to nature is clearly linked to acoustic environments, as we are made for outdoor and natural sounds. Our voice and ears have evolved here. And voices is the only natural sound existing indoor today. And voices is crucial when collaborating and learning from each other.
Humans love voices of others. We are curious. Speech is often a blessing, but as easily a frustrating distraction.
I am Frans Davidsson, a member of our global network of concept developers within office environments. We are all spreading the message of good acoustic as an important piece when creating sustainable offices.
Clearly, this is needed, since noise issues constantly is top of complaints.
Our approach, activity-based acoustic design, goes beyond numbers and standards. We take each activity and link that into human perception.
Activity-based acoustic design is about supporting us when we communicate or when we need to concentrate. A fit for a purpose.
To learn and share about these insights, please step inside Echo for Sustainable Design Office Edition.